All right, more news coming in from Agra now, where a Samajwadi Party MP is facing the heat of the Karni Sena. The Rajput, in fact, the MP is now facing questions. Heat from the Karni Sena, in fact, eye over insult to Rajput icon. The MP had said that Rajput King Rana Sanga is a traitor. Agra, where Samajwadi Party MPs now is facing ire from the Karni Sena. Comments were made by the Samajwadi Party MP regarding Rajput King Rana Sanga. Not just the Karni Sena, but protests have been launched by various other Hindu groups over the Samajwadi Party MP's remark on Rana Sanga. The MP in question is from Rajya Sabha, the Samajwadi Party. Ramji Lal Suman had made comments about the Rajput warrior king Rana Sanga. Protests have broken out at his residence at this point in time in Agra. I'm going straight across to Samarth for more details. It's the Karni Sena now, but there are other groups, Hindu groups like BHP, Bajrangal, etc. that are protesting since the time this comment was made by the Rajya Sabha MP from the Samajwadi Party against Rana Sanga. Samarth?
Well, exactly. Chaos has erupted outside the residence of Ramji Lal Suman, Samajwadi Party, Rajya Sabha MP, as scores of Karni Sena members have reached the residence and tried to break in. They also, in a way, vandalized the gate of Ramji Lal Suman's residence in Agra. As we see in the visuals, scores of supporters of Karni Sena, members of Karni Sena have gathered there. It all started because they are miffed over the statement by Ramji Suman, who in a way said that if you are calling Babar a traitor, then you must also call Rana Sanga a traitor, because Rana Sanga was the ruler who brought Babar to India to fight against Ibrahim Lodi, and thereon Mughals ruled entire India. So that's what Ramji Suman has said in the Rajya Sabha, and that's why after his statement we saw how the people were outraged on social media, and now we are seeing the visuals from Agra where scores of Karni Sena workers have gathered and chaos has erupted. Not just that, even station house officers, one inspector and sub-inspector and several policemen have also suffered injuries in this particular clash, as the policemen were trying to stop that particular mob from entering inside the residence of Ramji Suman. And thereafter we saw the visuals how the chairs are completely broken, while the entrance gate has been partially broken. Though police has controlled the mob as far as where we are getting the information, but yes, one inspector, sub-inspector and few constables have suffered injuries so far. The reports coming from Agra. Back to you.
Samarth, I'll just come back to you in a moment from now, listening to what the MP in question from Rajya Sabha had said controversially about Rana Sanga.
बाबर को लाया कौन? बाबर को इब्राहिम लोदी को हराने के लिए राणा सांगा लाया था। तो मुसलमान तो बाबर की औलाद हैं और तुम गद्दार राणा सांगा की औलाद हो, ये हिंदुस्तान में तय हो जाना चाहिए। अगर बाबर की तो आलोचना करते हैं, राणा सांगा की आलोचना नहीं करते। सभापति महोदय,
controversial statements that have been made. Look at the pictures coming in of violence that has broken out of the Karni Sena. Members of the Karni Sena in Agra are there at the residence of the MP in question. Continues to be with us. Samarth, just talk to us about the current situation as we speak. Are things under control, right now? What more can you tell us?
Well, see, it seems that the situation is under control as of now because more police forces have been sent, have been moved to the location, and as we see the visuals out here, that the mob literally losing control over the situation and saying that yes, they have come here to, in a way, to get hold of Ramji Lal Suman, because he said in Rajya Sabha about Rana Sangha, even called him a traitor at the moment when the sensation in the country is quite against Salar Ghazi, who was the nephew of Mahmud of Ghaznavi, and at that particular movement he spoke about Rana Sangha and even called him a traitor, and that's why we saw not just the BJP but many Hindu outfits were speaking against, and it seems that the outrage reached the next level when the members of Karni Sena gathered at one place and with proper planning, they tried to break inside the residence of Lalji Suman. Though Akhilesh Yadav also commented on this particular issue when he was asked about the statement, and he even said that if the BJP will try to turn few pages of history, then Samajwadi Party will also turn few more pages from the history, and you have to accept the truth. Though he did not in a way connected with the statement, but somewhere and somehow he supported his MP's statement. So it's going to be worth seeing whether this anger from Karni Sena will stay limited to just Agra, or this fire would in a way torch other districts of Uttar Pradesh as well. Back to you.
Samar Srivastav getting in those details from Agra in Uttar Pradesh, where the MP in question here from the Samajwadi Party is facing ire over insult to Rajput icon Rana Sangha. Akhilesh Yadav, the party boss of the MP in question, also supported these comments. Listen in.
तो अगर रामजी सुमन जी ने भी इतिहास का कोई पन्ना पलट दिया, जिस पन्ने में अगर इस तरह की भाव लिखा होगा, 200 साल पहले 100 साल पहले हम लोगों ने तो इतिहास लिखा नहीं। इतिहास किसने लिखा है? इसलिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी से पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश की हमारी समाजवादी पार्टी की तरफ से निवेदन है कि इतिहास के पन्ने ना पलटें, क्योंकि इतिहास के पन्ने अगर पलटे जाएंगे तो लोग ये भी याद करेंगे कि छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जब उनका तिलक होना था तो किसी ने उनका तिलक नहीं किया, और हाथ से तिलक नहीं किया गया। सुनने में आ रहा है कि पैर के बाएं अंगूठे से उनका तिलक किया गया था। क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी इस बात की निंदा करेगी आज?